Okay, I've come home to find this little treat from Crestron here. I've absolutely no idea what it is, so let's go for a quick sneaky unboxing, shall we? One-handed, of course, so this is going to be interesting. Grab knife. One-handed unboxing. It's going to be great. Helps if I point the camera at the box. I have no idea what they sent me. This is just turned up. Probably something to review relating to teens. It's always interesting. Have a look. Seems to be packed all right. Lots of packing. Another box! What's inside this box? Now there is a label on the side. I mean, I could cheat and read that, but that's no fun. Of course I can't. It's got another thing. Come on. Come on, knife. And what's inside? Card. Come on. Oh, hello. Looks like a Teams display from Crestron. This could be rather interesting. Stay tuned for a review.